Hi friends! Welcome to the Mr. Craig Show. I'm Mr. Craig. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. How are you today? Hi friends! I love visiting the farm. I love saying hello to all those farm animals. Hey, that makes me think of a game to play. Did you ever play I'm Thinking of a Farm Animal? Would you like to play that game with me? I'm going to tell you about an animal. I'm going to describe the animal. And let's see if you can guess what it is. Come on, friends, let's go. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? Our first animal goes moo and gives us milk. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's a cow. You say, hi, cow. Very good. Can you moo like a cow? Try it. Moo. Very nice job. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? This next animal goes, neigh! Can you guess what that is, friends? That's right. You guessed it. It's a horse. You say, hi, horse. Very nice job. Can you go neigh like a horse? You try it. Neigh! Very good. And can you roll your lips? Nice job. Can you do tongue clickers? You make it sound like a horse walking? Nice job, friends. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? Our next animal is big and fluffy, usually white, and says, ba. Can you guess what that is? That's right. You guessed it. It's a sheep. You say, hi, sheep. Very good. Can you go ba like a sheep? Try it. Put your lips together and then open your mouth up wide with your nice big voice. Ba. Very nice. You sounded just like a sheep. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? Our next animal likes to roll around and sit in the mud to stay nice and cool. And this animal goes or oink oink. Can you guess what it is? That's right. A pig. You say, Hi, pig. Nice job. Can you oink like a pig? Let's try it this way first. Say oink, 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 oink. Very good. And now do it the way with your nose. Go. Very good. You just sounded like a little piggy. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? Our next animal can be seen on a farm, but you might also see them around in your neighborhood. It goes woof, 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 woof. Can you guess what it is? That's right, a dog. You say, hi, dog. Nice job. Can you woof like a dog? You try it. Woof, woof. Nice job. I'm thinking of a farm animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? This next animal you can see on a farm or out in the countryside. Or you might see this animal hopping around your neighborhood too. It has long ears and likes to eat carrots and lettuce and sometimes flowers. Can you guess what this animal is? That's right. It's a rabbit, or you can call it a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. What does a bunny say? I don't know. I don't know what a bunny says. I've never heard a bunny. They're pretty quiet. But bunnies like to wiggle their noses. Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny? Very good. And can you say hop, hop, hop? Very nice job, friends. Let's do one more. Are you ready? You say, yes. Here we go. I'm thinking of an animal. What could it be? I'm thinking of a farm animal. Can you tell me? This next farm animal is a kind of bird. It perches up on a fence and goes, Can you guess what it is? That's right, a rooster. You say, hi, rooster. Very nice job. Can you crow like a rooster? You try it. Oh, you sounded just like a rooster. Nice job, friends. That was so much fun, friends. You did a great job guessing those farm animals. Hey, do you remember which animals we played with today? There was the one that went moo. That's right, the cow. And let's see, what was another one? Neigh. That's right, a horse. You remember another one? What about the one that goes woof, woof? That's right, you remembered. The dog. Nice job. What was another farm animal? What was the one that didn't make a lot of noise but hops around? You guessed it, the rabbit. And what was another one? Oh, what about the one that goes ba? That's right, friends. It's the sheep. Nice job. What was another one? Oh, which animal liked to sit in the mud and go? That's right, the pig. And do you remember what our last animal was? That's right, the rooster. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye, friends. I'll see you another day. Bye bye, friends.